Hello everyone, and welcome to day 5 of your 7-day spring challenge. Today I have a slightly challenging lower body sequence for you, but we're going to begin on our backs, so make your way down, tuck those knees into your chest and wrap the arms around the shins. Just begin to arrive on the mat as you normally would in a seated position. Notice your surroundings. Notice the temperatures, the textures. Deep breaths. Good. One more deep breath, and then extend the left leg on the exhale. Inhale, tuck the knee into the chest and crunch upwards. After this, begin to swap the legs, so tucking the left leg in, extending the right, and continuing with that motion. Gently waking the core up, try and keep crunched upwards here, and waking those hip flexors up. Keep it going. You got this. If you ever get a little tired, you can rest that upper back on the mat and just focus on the legs. Just a few more. And then hold that right knee in, relax that head and upper back onto the mat. Let the left leg touch the ground, and swap, tuck the left knee in, release the right leg to the mat. Next, inhale, bring both legs up, facing the sky, flex the feet. Exhale, bend the knees. Inhale, reach the arms up. Hold for breath. Then from here, use that momentum. If you can, swing up to chair pose with an inhale. If that's a little tricky for you, you can just make your way to chair in whichever way is best for you. Exhale, bring that left arm on the outside of the right leg. Inhale, right arm reaches up. If this is a bit too far for you, you can connect both palms and turn to the right with the hands on the thighs. Inhale back to the middle, arms come to the side, up to the front, and exhale other side. Right arm reaches down to the mat, inhale left arm up. Inhale back to the middle, hold that chair pose, and exhale, take a fold. Step both feet back, come into that plank pose, then on the next exhale, lower the knees to the mat, come into your tabletop. Good. Deep breath. Then from here, inhale, lift the chest, lift the tailbone. Come into that cow pose and hold. Bring that back to neutral, and inhale, raise the right leg up, keeping the bend in the knee. Then add that cow position back into the back to arch the back, lift up onto the fingertips, and engage the hamstring. Exhale, bring the knee towards the nose, rounding forwards. Inhale, lift that leg back up, use the hamstrings, kick that leg towards the head. Exhale, knee to nose. Last one, inhale, lift. Exhale, knee to nose. Come back down onto the palms, and then tuck the left toes under. Lift that leg all the way up and back for three-legged dog. Hold for a moment, and then bring the right knee towards the chest. Shift forwards to your plank. Inhale, lift the leg up and back, three-legged dog. Exhale, bring the knee to the chest, plank position. Inhale, leg up and back. Exhale, knee to the chest. Last one, plank position. Inhale, leg up and back. And this time, exhale, step it between the hands. Get that base and foundation. We're going to be doing a little bit of work here in the lunge, so make sure you're steady. Then inhale, reach up to your high lunge. Exhale, lean forwards, arms come to the sides. and slightly behind you. Inhale, arms up overhead. Exhale, bring the palms to the chest, kick the leg forwards. Come into that standing position. Step the left foot back, reach the arms to the sides and backwards. Inhale, arms overhead. Exhale, palms to the middle, kick it forwards. Do not worry too much about the breathing here. Step it back. Inhale, arms to the side and up above the head. Exhale, palms to the middle, kick it forwards. Good job. Hold it here. Step it back. Nice. Last one, arms to the side. Inhale, overhead. Exhale, palms together, kick, and this time hold. Good. Bend that knee. Add a few little holds and bends here, just to work that leg and then give it a little bit of rest. Good. Bend the knee again and send the leg back, but this time not entering your lunge, hovering for that warrior 3. Reach the arms to the side and then inhale, bring them back up overhead. Hold that balance. Notice those little muscles working in the foot, in the calf, stabilizing you. Even the outside of the hip is working. Good. Bring that left leg back, come into your mountain pose, deep breath. You can add a few circles in the right leg if you'd like, just to give that ankle a little bit of movement. Inhale, reach the arms up, come back into your chair pose. Exhale, fold. Deep breath. Inhale halfway, and exhale, step it back to your plank. We're gonna hold for about 3 deep breaths here. Find that sturdy position, lift those hips, press with the shoulder blades. Exhale, bring the knees down, come back into your tabletop position. Wrists under the shoulders. Other side now, we're gonna lift the left leg up, bring a 90-degree into the knee, and again enter that cow position with the back, reach the foot for the head. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, lift, come up onto the fingertips. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, lift. Actively moving that back. Exhale, knee to nose. Good. From here, inhale, last lift. Engage those back muscles. Bring the hands down, tuck the right toes under, lift the hips all the way up and back, 3-legged dog. Good. Next, exhale, bring the knee towards the chest, shift forward to plank. Inhale, extend the leg up and back. Exhale, knee to chest, come to that plank. Inhale, lift the leg up and back, 3-legged dog. Exhale, knee to chest. Last one. Inhale, 3-legged dog. Exhale, step that foot between the hands. Deep breath. Get that base and foundation. Then inhale, lift up to that high lunge. Exhale, lean forwards, arms to the side. Inhale, arms come back overhead. Exhale, palms through the middle. Kick that right leg forwards, come to mountain. Good. Step it back. Arms to the side. Inhale, overhead. Exhale, palms to the middle. Kick the leg. Do not worry too much about the hands. Focus mostly on your foundation, on your kick forwards, on that balance. Good. Kick it forwards. Keep it going. Arms to the side, overhead, palms together. Exhale, kick. This time hold and add a few little bends in the knee and extensions of the leg, alternating between the two. Hold that balance. Good. Bring that right leg back, come into your warrior three, hovering, bouncing on the left leg. Arms to the side, and inhale, bring them back overhead. Try and make a nice straight line with the body. Good. Bring it back to your mountain pose. Hands to the side. Deep breath. Find that posture. Shake out that left ankle if you'd like as well. One more breath. And then on the next inhale, sink the hips back, come into chair pose. Exhale, left hand comes down. Inhale, right arm reaches up. Find that twisted chair pose again. Good. Inhale back to the middle. Exhale, other side. Right arm comes down on the outside of the left leg. Inhale, left arm up. Inhale back to the middle. Exhale, rise back up to mountain, palms to the chest. From here, get your balance on that left leg. Inhale, right leg comes up. Exhale, try and squat down into Skandasana or side lunge at the back of the mat. Inhale, launch back up towards mountain. Keep that right leg hovered and lower it down. So this is going to be a few quick movements here. Take your time to get used to it. You do not have to do it the same way I'm doing it. You can keep both feet on the mat or pivoted, and you can stay much higher up. So take it to the other side now, left leg. Inhale back to mountain. Really take your time with this. Lower it down. Good. Right side again. Inhale, raise the right leg. Exhale, step it back towards the back of the mat. And try and squat down for your Skandasana. Inhale, back mountain. Exhale, foot down. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, step it back. Side lunge. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, left leg down. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, step it back. Skandasana. And this time hold. Bring that right arm to the ground if you can, and reach the left arm up. If you need to, you can place the right hand on a block, whatever you need for this. You can come up higher just like this. Find your variation. One more deep breath. And then inhale back to mountain, arms up, exhale, palms to the middle. Inhale, left leg up, exhale, step it back. Take your time with this transition. You do not have to flex the foot. You can keep it flat on the mat as well and stay in a higher variation of the pose again. Left arm to the mat, inhale, right arm reaches up. One more breath. Then on the next inhale, bring yourself back to mountain pose. Take your time. Arms reach up. Exhale, palms to the middle. Good job. Deep breath. Inhale to chair. And exhale, squat down onto the mat. Bring those hands behind you, cross the left leg over the right thigh, and inhale, lift the chest, press that knee actively away from your torso. If you want to add a little bit of spice to this one, you can hook the left arm on the outside or the sole of the left foot. Connect those palms and press away for a gentle twist, but only if this suits your body today. Good, bring it back to the middle. Place the left leg down. Right leg over the left thigh, arms behind you. Inhale, lift that chest and feel free to stay here the whole time. Bring that knee away from the body. If you want to add that little bit extra to it, you can hook the arm on the outside of the foot, connect the palms, and twist away. Deep breaths. This is an intense stretch. One more breath. And then return back to the middle. Place both feet down. Make your way back to your back. Extend the legs up. Interlace the fingers behind the right thigh. Let the left leg rest down and try and pull that leg towards you. You can keep that bend in the knee if you need to. If you feel like you can stretch a little bit further, maybe move the hands onto the back of the calf. Deep breaths. Good. Bring the left leg back up. Interlace the fingers behind the left thigh, release the right leg down, and same thing other side. Relax, close the eyes, deepen those exhales to tell your body it's okay to be in these intense stretch positions, and maybe relax further so you can go deeper. Focus on those sensations, on your surroundings. Good. Bring the right leg back in. Exhale, swing it back up into a seated staff pose or seated forward fold. Inhale, arms up, and exhale, fold down. You can place the hands on the mat. You can grab a strap and wrap it around the feet. Just touch the toes. Or if you feel like adding an active stretch today, lean down towards the legs and interlace the fingers or grab onto the hands behind your back, gently pulling the shoulders. Good. Breathe wherever you are. Good. Release, rise back up, and come find a gentle, easy seat. Lengthen through that back. Inhale, reach the arms up, and exhale, bring them down towards the chest. One deep breath, just recenter yourself here. And we'll finish there. Thank you so much for joining me for day 5 of this 7-day spring challenge, and I will see you tomorrow for a special spring showers video. Thank you again for joining me. See you soon.